Ever wondered why your top-down analysis fell before price moves in your direction? You are not crazy. It's because you don't understand your daily profile. Today, I will show you how to use your daily bias and your daily profile to find intraday entries. I will show you when to expect your high and low of the day. Watch this and you dump down your top-down analysis strategy. And Vito Snow from Trading from the Soul, where smart money is simplified. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on future videos. What is your daily bias and your daily profile? This is what our daily bias looks like, and this is what our daily profile looks like. To be able to predict your low and high of the day, you must first of all understand how we frame our reversals, and secondly, how we frame our continuations. This is how I frame my bearish reversals, and this is how I frame my bullish reversals. In my bearish reversal here, can you see Wednesday swept Monday's candle range high? Our bias gonna be what? Bearish. And can you see Thursday reversed, giving us our high of the day? And this right here gonna be our sell. You trade once a day. Don't worry, before this video ends, I'm gonna be showing you the exact time to look out for this high of the day each day. For our bullish reversal right here, our Tuesday swept Monday's candle range low. What I mean by a candle range low is simply the lowest our Monday candle go to for that day. Our bias gonna be a bullish one. And can you see how Wednesday reversed, giving us the low of the day? It is ideal for you to watch our first video of this. I finally cracked the daily bias so that you understand everything being said in this video. I'll link it up here. The second thing you need to understand to get your high and low of the day is how to frame our continuations. This is what our bearish and bullish continuation looks like. For our bearish continuation here, Monday created a candle range low and Tuesday failed to sweep it. In fact, it ended up closing below it. Our bias is there for a bearish one. And can you see Wednesday created the high of the day for us and pushed down? And here will be our entry. For our bullish continuation right here, do this one for me and comment it down below. Shows you are following up. Can you see our low of the day was formed when Tuesday broke Monday's candle range high? Let's move to the chart to take some example. So this is gold dollar, the daily time frame, and this is 1st July this 2025, and our Tuesday candle just closed above Monday's candle range high. What is forming? Comment down below. What our bullish continuation, hence our bias is a bullish one. Let's see. Can you see that Wednesday created our low of the day? Can you also see that Wednesday failed to close Tuesday candle range high? So I want to see market sell for that day. Let's see. This could be our high of the day forming, and can you see that Thursday went to our take profit level, forming our high of the day? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how we go to the lower time frame to get our high of the day exact point. Daily bias or top-down analysis, which gives you the accurate direction in the market. Drop it at the comment section. What can you see on Thursday? It closed below Wednesday's candle range low. It means our bearish continuation model is forming. So I anticipate Friday to be bearish. And can you see Friday couldn't do anything? Should we exit the trade? No, we are still holding this trade. Can you see a displacement to the downside traders? Can you see we failed to close this candle range low? Anticipate market to head higher. Let's see. And a loss. Losses are part of trading. So when I started trading, I used to think that trading doesn't have loss, but over time I embraced it because of success in trading is not the absence of loss, but it is forged through surviving and accepting losses. Okay, can you see we failed to close this our candle range low? Anticipate market to head on to this raw on liquidity. Let's see. And a win for us traders. What can you see? What we closed above, so anticipate market to what? Head on higher. Let's see. What can you see? What a win traders. Coming up is the mind-blowing part of this. And is this video really helping? Give me a like right now. How do we get our low and high of the day? This is a framework I use in getting my low and high of the day. So once our Tuesday here swept our candle range high, we mark out the opening price of this our Tuesday. I'll move to the 1 hour time frame. Here we want price action to come down to this our closing price. We'll mark out any of our PDRA, wait for market to return back, and we check for our time of the day. It must be between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is our London Q zone. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to make sure your chart is in this Eastern Standard Time, traders. So I can confidently take a buy here, and can you see how market displays to the upside, forming this our Wednesday candle from the daily time frame, traders. In this our bullish reversal, when Monday candle range low was taken, we mark out Tuesday closing. Tuesday closing is simply the price Tuesday close for that day. Tuesday opened here, went to a low, then moved to a high, and finally closed. For our bearish example right here, is quite the opposite. It's opened here, and can you see that our bearish candle opened at the point our bullish candle closed. We moved to a high, moved to a low, then finally closed. And can you see it is at the same point where our bullish candle opened. So we'll mark out the closing right here and move to the 1 hour time frame. So we need 1 hour to start trading below this our closing price, and when it finally returns back to this 1 hour PDRA, we confirm that it is in this our situated timing, and we can buy to the upside, giving us the low of the day. And can you see the low of the day here? This is a trade I sent out to Telegram community. Someone watching will see videos know what is this PDRA something that you've been mentioning. This is what the PDRA looks like. PDRA matrix is the premium and discount array. As it is that these are 14 levels in which the institutions only trade from in the market. Can you see old low, bearish rejection block, bearish order block, bearish fair value gap, bearish liquidity void, bearish mitigation block, bearish breaker, old high, bearish mitigation block, bullish order block, bullish fair value gap, bearish liquidity void, bearish mitigation, bullish breaker block. You guys must have heard of this bullish order block because it is the most popular. To be able to get your low and high of the day each day, you must be able to mark and trade from each one of these PDRAs. Here are some of them. A rejection block is when a bearish order block fails, and this right here becomes our breaker block. Also, we must make sure it swept a liquidity before this failure. While our mitigation block is simply a breaker block that couldn't sweep any liquidity before failing. Then our bullish fair value gap is when our first candle's high don't overlap with our third candle's low. This little gap you see here is called a fair value gap, and it is very, very powerful. This is our first candle we marked out. It's our order block candle. When we have an order block and fair value gap, this makes our order block a high probability trade. Our setup will look something like this. A fair value gap is simply food we eat. Can you see that before our order block can work, it should have a fair value gap? Just like before you can be able to work out for the day and go and work, you must be able to eat food. Without you eating food, you fail. As without fair value gap, and our trades will fail. Then for this bullish rejection block, it's just the difference between our old low and where this candle opened. We'll mark from here to here. It's our bullish rejection block, traders. Out of the whole PDRAs, this particular one is my favorite, traders. This is our PDRA matrix playlist. I will link it up here to make everything better. In this our example right here, Tuesday candle was created. From the 1 hour time frame, this is how our Tuesday candle will look like. And you see how we went above the closing price, mitigated our 1 hour PDRA and order block that includes a fair value gap. Should we sell from here? Comment down below. No, we use any of our CRT entry that I have been teaching you guys, which I said I will wait for a change instead of delivery. I'm going to be making a sell here, stop loss, TP. And can you see how market displays to the downside? Hence forming our Wednesday candle right here, our high of the day. Do this one for me and comment it down below. Let's move to the chart to take some examples. Daily time frame USD JPY. Can you see we just had a failure to close above a candle range high right here, and we anticipate markets heading down. I will simply move to the 1 hour time frame. I want market to come into this rejection block right here. We got it. and I'll wait for a change instead of delivery. And can you see it is happening at our London Q zone, Friday 5th September 2 o'clock. I'm gonna make my entry here, stop loss above here, TP. I'll target nothing less than a 1:2, and let's see how this unfolds, traders. Let's see. Can you see what TP smash, traders? Let's see whether we can head to this draw on liquidity, traders. Let's see. Can you see what, traders? Displays to the downside, traders. So if you want to really improve in smart money trading, smash that subscribe button right now, because we post videos every week. In this trade right here, can you see we just entered what, an order block, and can you see what, we've swept previous candle range low. I anticipate a move higher. I will move towards the 1 hour time frame. Can you see we have a tiny fair value gap right here, and we also have a rejection block right here. Let's see. Can you see what? This is my CRT model 2 forming right here, traders. I'm gonna mark out an order block right here, make an entry, stop loss, TP. Let's see whether we'll be filled in. We are in the setup, traders. Let's see. Can you see, guys, what? A full take profit smash. Also, I forgot to mention, traders, that this is also what among our situated timing, what, 3 a.m. to standard time. This or top down analysis, let me know at the comment section. In this example right here, we displaced a candle range low of previous day right here, and during this time period we also mitigated what, a fair value gap, 3 candle sequence, first candle high of the week, third candle low of the week right here. We move towards the 1 hour time frame. Can you see after we mitigated this fair value gap, can you see we return back to another block and we displaced to the upside. So this is some of the trades I send out to my Telegram community. So I'm going to be linking my DailyBias playlist right here and also my PDRA playlist right here. Check them out. Give me a thumbs up and also a subscribe if this video helped you improve a little as a trader. And if you're struggling with trading, I just launched a 3-day free trading course on what it takes to really be a profitable trader. Link will be at this video's description.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate